Why do many people struggle before speaking English? Because they say, I will speak English after learning grammar. I will speak English after learning more vocabulary. I will speak English when I become perfect. But that day never comes. Hey you, I am the Grand Vignesh. Today let's understand one simple truth. You cannot learn English first and speak later. You can learn English by speaking. Yes, you can. Mistakes may happen. Fear may comes. But every fluent speaker today started once as a beginner. So remember this, confidence does not come before practice. Confidence comes because of practice. So start small, very small. Speak simple English sentences. For example, I am learning English. I will improve every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. Simple sentences. Powerful progress. Do not try to speak fast. Do not try to use difficult words. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak daily. Even 1 minute of everyday practice can change your confidence. Another important thing, stop translating every sentence from your mother tongue. Instead, think in simple English. If you are drinking water, say I am drinking water. If you are watching video, say I am watching video. Now, this is how fluency begins. In this journey, do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. Do not wait for perfect. Start speaking English today. So, command your self intro and what topic you need next. Learn, practice, express, grow with me. So, subscribe this channel, The Grand Vignesh, and share this video to your best friends, because English is not just a language, it is a key to unlock your knowledge, culture, and opportunity. All the best.